My name is Luna. I'm beyond excited to be coming to Mauritius. And I came across nonviolent communication around 12 years ago through a friend who showed me initially some videos of Marshall Rosenberg, the creator of it. And within the course of 4 days, I saw all the videos and became totally enamored by the teachings, the approach, and the relevance of this work in our day-to-day society. It has allowed me to first gain much more awareness in a very intimate way of what's alive in me, to be able to feel it and also to be able to name it for myself and also when I communicate with others. And very much as well to realize what I'm yearning for or what I value the most in any given moment, and then how I can really foster that or cater to that. And that then by extension is expressed in connection with anyone else in all my relationships with my family, with my friends, with the people that I work with or the projects with. Well, I would say that communication is one of the main ways that we are using to relate to one another, and we are in continuous relating with ourselves and with the whole of life. And yet we are rarely taught how to really communicate in a way that serves life, in a way that allows us to maintain a connection with ourselves and with others. So even perhaps if we don't think that we have a violent way of communicating, when we start looking at it more deeply, we realize, wow, I mention judgments here, or I put on labels onto others, or I have a very judgmental self-dialogue. And that is actually detrimental to our own connection. So learning these tools, this approach, will allow us to refine first the awareness of how we are truly communicating, what is at the heart in the intention of our communication, and even more so then to really honor what we are wanting to create with ourselves and with anyone else around us. In this workshop, we'll create a very safe container with utmost confidentiality around whatever anyone is gonna share, so that we truly feel called forth to dive into the situations in our life that we'd like to bring more light into, and that we can do that in great vulnerability, authenticity, knowing that we are going to be embraced in love, in empathy, in a sense of togetherness. I'm inviting all of you to take a step into this profound exploration that will bring self-connection, self-love, self-compassion, and also allow you to communicate even difficult emotions, difficult situations with a sense of authenticity and as well accountability, and also to be able to be present for whatever is happening for anyone else, with presence, with openness, with great empathy and compassion.